People are getting paid every day just by clicking ads. Don't believe it? These are payment proofs. Many guys have been cashing out by doing this over and over again. All you need to do is create an account, click on a box, and get paid for each box you click. Make sure you watch this video till the end because I will show you how to make more money, and I will also teach you how to set this up online for you to get paid without doing anything. This is an easy passive income strategy that you can use today. Here are the payment proofs. When you check it out, you'll see that people from different countries are cashing out every single hour on this website, and the only thing they did was just clicking ads. The first website is ptcshare.com. Make sure to follow all the steps so that it wouldn't be difficult for you to make money on this site. This platform actually works, and you can see even though it's still new, it has paid out millions of its users, and this is a very easy task to do. You don't need any skill, and you don't need any previous experience. You can earn money online in just a few minutes. You can get started right away because you can cash out your earnings via Perfect Money, Litecoin, Bitcoin, and Payeer. Now I'm going to teach you how to sign up for free. All you need to do is click on the sign up button right here on the left-hand side, type in your preferred username, type in your password, and again repeat your password, enter your official email address right here on the right-hand side, then click on this, I confirmed I was referred by admin, and check the box that says I'm not a robot, and do the CAPTCHA verification, and lastly, check the box that says I agree to the terms of service, and click on create account. Once you're done with signing up for a new account, you should activate your account by going through your emails. As you can see here, it says, "Hello Rachel, welcome to PTC Share." To complete your account registration and to activate your account, please click here or use the following link. You just go ahead and click on the link provided and it will direct you to this page where it says your account has been activated. Here's how the dashboard looks like on your PTC Share account. You will be able to view your balance right here. Hopefully, with this tutorial that I'm showing you, you will be able to increase your earnings on this website. And when you scroll down a bit, you can see a lot of activities and bonuses you can get by doing all the tasks. This is awesome since this means more ways to make money online with this website. Now for us to earn money, go ahead and click on this Earn button right here, and then a drop-down menu will be shown. You will see a lot of different activities for you to make money. We have View Ads, Offer Walls, Surveys, Videos, PTC Walls, Click Grid, and Refer Friends. But for this video, you're going to click on View Ads. Now this is a quick disclaimer reminding you that this program is not a get-rich-fast program. It's not a life-changing income, but when you follow the step-by-step process of clicking these ads, you can easily make money. And you don't need any experience or any skill to get started. Now that's going to show you all these different ads that are available for you to click on that will make you money. And as you can see, it's not a lot. That's why I said you need to watch this video until the end so I can show you how to make a lot of money using this website. It's very easy. You just need to click this button right here and that's all. View paid ads, that's all you need to do to get paid this amount of money that will quickly add up over time if you do this again and again. If you guys are gaining something from this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Here's another trick that I want to show you where you can earn $20 for every click. Now I want you to scroll back up and click on the Earn button again, and I want you to go to Click Grid. Okay, let me explain. Each of these boxes is one ad. You click on this box and then this ad is going to pop up, which you can close and you will get paid for that click. You will see that it's credited because the box will turn red just like this one. You can see on the right-hand side, all these people are making money just by clicking on these boxes. And you have all these boxes which you can click on every single day, and you have the potential to make up to $20 for just a click. So for instance, if this one right here has 100 boxes and that's 50 cents per click, and if you click on all those boxes, that would be an easy $10. You can do this every day as well, since the site refreshes your account every single day. Now the second part that I want to show you is how you can set up your account for you to earn passive income. What you need to do is again go to the Earn button on the upper left-hand side of the site, click on the Earn button right now. Now don't worry, you don't need to share this with your family and your friends, but hey, if you want to share this with your family and with your friends, you can do that. But in this video, let's focus more on another approach before we do that. I want you to scroll down below so that you can read all of the referral details. 7% commission on every ad purchase. 3% commission on the value of their ad clicks, eligibility for additional daily referral ad issue, a ton of achievement points increasing your part of the daily achievement ad issue. With that, I want you to copy your referral link right here. Now I'm going to show you a platform where you can share your link for you to make more money online passively, and this is a no-brainer, so copy your referral link and let's get a different traffic source. We're going to be using Quora.com as our traffic source. Quora is a platform where people come to ask and answer different questions. On this online platform, people ask a lot of different questions on anything. So right now, I want you to type in the search bar, how to make money online, and hit the enter button. You'll then see a lot of people asking different questions on how to make money online. Here are some examples. Now I want you to just choose one post our link, and reply with our link. I'm going to go with a script, but you can also make your own. Don't forget to paste your affiliate link. This means that when a Quora user uses your links to sign up for an account, you will earn a commission. Every time someone uses your link, they will do the same thing as you did, which was click on those boxes to watch an ad. You will earn a commission and they would earn money as well. You can also do this on other sites as well, just like Facebook and Twitter. Do you want to learn how you can earn money by copy-pasting on Amazon? Click here!